quality, service, experience, technology, flexibility, commitment. These are the values that define CPQ. CPQ is specialized in high-precision machining for 40 years and offers manufacturing of checking fixtures, holding fixtures, and go/no-go gauges right here in Mexico. With manufacturing and measurement equipment of the highest tolerance, CPQ offers manufacturing solutions, modification, and unprecedented refurbishing of measurement devices for the following industries: automotive, aeronautical and aerospace, pharmaceutical, plastic injection, foundry, molds, stamping, and many more. At CPQ, using German technology, we specialize in the manufacturing and recovery of measurement equipment for the verification of geometric tolerances in checking fixtures using attribute and/or variables measurements, pin and ring go/no-go gauges, master gauges, fork, slot, and thread gauges, flush pins, height gauges, etc. The benefits of verifying geometric tolerances using dedicated measuring devices are reliability and speedy measurements, reproducibility and repeatability, independent of the evaluator, robust Poka yoke concept, verification and immediate on-site correction, allow to free time of coordinate measuring machines for other projects. The accuracy and dependability of our measurement equipment is possible thanks to the devices, tools, and gauges that are manufactured using hardened steels with ultra-hardness coatings such as hard chromium, carbonitrides, and titanium carbides to suit the application and needs of our customers. The recovery or refurbishing of measurement devices and gauges in general is another specialty of CPQ. Our engineering group provides support and advice on how to restore dimensional tolerances to bring back usage and operability to your measuring devices and checking fixtures, giving new value and better use of these resources. With CPQ's unrivaled experience in cylindrical grinding, surface grinding, CNC milling, honing, lapping, wire cutting, and hard chromium application, we guarantee the successful delivery of your gauges, measuring devices, and checking fixtures in time and on budget. Our commitment to innovation continues, aiming to always provide modern, efficient, and cutting-edge solutions. We invite you to know what we have planned for the future, incorporating automation solutions and pneumatic measuring devices to make your checking fixtures more dynamic, efficient, and intelligent. In CPQ, we work hard every day to create the ultimate precision measurement equipments with a firm commitment of providing you the best checking fixtures and go/no-go gauges available today, with the recognition of more than 600 customers in 15 countries. We are CPQ, a company passionate for the accuracy in dimensions and tolerances, committed to the quality of your business. Visit our new site, www.cpqautomation.com.